babies, how are you doing? It's me, Amber, and welcome back to my microneedling, anti-aging, and make your skin younger looking video. I am going to talk about this little tool, Aqua Stamp, that is very beautiful. It has a lot of needles and it can make your skin really glowy. So this is updated video. I had before plastic and different Aqua Stamp. I am the owner of microneedling brand Amber Beauty, and this is one of microneedling tools that I sell on my website. Basically, it makes your skin beautiful, anti-aging, prevents fine lines and wrinkles, prevents hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, I have many before and after pictures. You can go to my website. You can read the comments, reviews. You can check out my Instagram, Amber Beauty. I have many pictures before and after that people use my tools, and they're amazing results that makes your life easier and you're more confident. What is behind everything with women and the beauty is how you feel every day. The confidence is the #1 that makes you woman pretty happy and just overall awesome. So before I had different stamp, it was plastic, it was long, it was leaking. I had many complaints. Because I love environment, I changed that one. You can take it off. I changed that one to the glass one. So right now it's a glass. And I do have replaceable tips. It's very easy to replace. You screw it like this, and that's it, and you stamp it. You can use two ways this stamp. You can even use empty bottle without anything. You just stamp it, stamp it, stamp it, stamp it, stamp it, stamp it. Or you can actually put the serum inside. It comes without serum. I have 3 serums that you can choose on my website that can be used. You pump this inside. If it's, let's say, too leaky or too thick, you add a little bit more of hyaluronic serum. Maybe if it's too thick, you add a little bit more vitamin C serum. If you don't have my products, my serums, you can add a little bit distilled, filter, clean, just regular water, a little bit, few drops. You decide what texture you want. This is the thing. It's like basically you customize. Another thing that people been asking, they say, I don't see the needles coming out through this stamp. Needles shouldn't come out because the serum is coming out through this yellow gold part. It's not through the needles. If needles will be moving all the time, it will be not very safe for the skin. Needles are sturdy and it's really tight, and needles shouldn't move. So I just want to say again, needles shouldn't move. Only this yellow part should move. If you think that this should be moving, it shouldn't. It's not moving. I do have 3 sizes. I sell full size like this as with this bottle, or I do sell like this as a tips. So if you like really on the budget, you can get for I don't remember how much is, I believe $59 for 3 tips, and you don't even need a bottle. You can actually stamp just like this. This is amazing for example, why is this better than Dermaroller? Because it's actually targeting. It's like targeting. Let's say many people, like many teenagers or women with the acne, message me and they say, okay, how I can use Dermaroller? I have acne. Like, and they have like few things, you know, that with Dermaroller, it takes like a lot of white place. So let's say you want to dermaroll all your face, right? But you have like, let's say here, acne, like, and people want to dermaroll. What do? I say, use Aqua Stamp. It's amazing. You just like, you avoid this part where you have acne and you gently go around that place. You have a scar, you don't like dermarolling, you don't need, but you have a scar. You take this spot, boom, 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 and you just boom, 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 and you just, you know, stamp it. This is really amazing to stamp like targeted places. If you cannot go around, let's say with Dermaroller, you want to do there, like I'm starting to age, I'm starting to have wrinkles around my ears. So it's not possible to go with Dermaroller. It's too wide. So what do? I use stamp around my ear. It's another amazing thing to use around your eyes. This is too wide, way too wide to use around your eyes. You could, but why to take a risk, you know, and this, you know, be in fear. So this, you just close your eye, you go around 5 times, 7 times. Your crow's feet is going to disappear. I promise to you. Okay, how often to use Aqua Stamp? You can, guys, I'm gonna pop table over here that I created myself, or if you need a reminder, always you can go to my website. In the facts section, I have a table over there. You always can come back, you always can see the different sizes. 0.25 you can use maybe once a week, 0.6 maybe you can use every 2-3 weeks, 1 millimeter, which is a giant big needle, you can use once a month. Now, how to disinfect it? I always recommend to use disinfectant with isopropyl alcohol. 70% is the best. You can disinfect the skin with alcohol as well. It's nothing going to happen. So with the chamber, you could disinfect, but it's not necessary. You just can run with really hot water. You pour it inside, you close it, and like this, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You're going to see maybe some alcohol came out through here, but back and forth. Let's say you're gonna do this for like 20-30 seconds, back forth, back forth. Take out the alcohol, open this, dry. If you still want to put in some, like a little bit, you can pour alcohol a little bit on direct on the needles, but don't keep the Aqua Stamp in the alcohol. So just after, place it on the counter, wait it until it's gonna be dry. You can put the cap, because cap has a hole, so air is gonna go freely inside. Just leave it for 10 hours at least until it's dry, and that's it. Super easy, super simple to use. A little bit takes time, but for those especially with the acne, or they want to target some spot on the face or on the body, it doesn't matter where, like let's say you have on the neck or on your chest, maybe your when you got C-section, maybe you have a scar over there, you don't want to use Dermaroller because the scar is super tiny. You can definitely use this. So easy, I love it. It comes like this in the full package, but I would recommend you guys to get one full package and 3 tips. It's saving environment, it's saving you money. It's the same thing like buying full one. You just not gonna get the full glass, you know, and just like, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. I don't know why people using only Dermaroller, but some people, I have clients, they use only stamp, because stamp, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, the needle is going straight. So when you stamp it, it takes a little bit more time, but it's less painful and more directly straight goes into the skin. I think it's amazing. I think it's way better than anything else. If you guys have any questions, you can always email my customer service at info@jenamber.com. You can always check out my website. You can always subscribe to this channel because I have amazing skincare videos, and you can follow Instagram, which is JenAmberX, which is my personal, and Amber Beauty, which is my business. I'm passionate about microneedling, skincare, anti-aging, just making women confident. I get so many messages when women say, oh my God, you changed my life. I'm so confident right now. On my wedding day, I was the most beautiful person and I felt so good. I had no acne, no pimples, no nothing. Any questions, customer service people gonna answer to you because they've been trained by me. If they don't know what to answer, they ask me, but you always can message info@jenamber.com, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, JenAmberX. Thank you guys so much for watching. For now, if you have any questions, leave under this video down below in the comment section. All the information is gonna be under this video in the description box. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.